What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, I'm going to share you my experience to provide evidence of my relationship with my wife. Okay, so this is in correspondence with my application with the New Zealand immigration. So this is the time when I am applying for New Zealand residency. Okay, so one of their requirements is to provide that you have a genuine and stable relationship with your partner or with your wife and living together for at least 12 months. So you need to prove this. Okay, so when you apply, you need to provide if you have these documents that I'm going to show to you. Okay, so at first, the first one, as you can see, you need to provide the photos of you and your partner or spouse. Okay, so just to make sure that you and your partner is really in a relationship. So you need to provide photos like you and your family, photos of you during a party or gathering with your children. Okay, so you need to provide photo. Or this is what I did. Okay, so I'm not trying to give you an advice, but this is what I did. So I gave photos of me and my wife. Okay, so aside from that, okay, so I also provide joint or individual bank accounts, statements, credit cards, loans, or hire purchases. So if you have these documents, you can provide this. Okay, so it can be joint or individual. So if you have the original document, don't worry, the immigration will return back to you the original document. But if you're going to provide a photocopy or a Xerox copy of these documents, so you need to certify true copy that document. So when I say certified true copy, so if you are here in New Zealand, the individual that can certify true copy your documents is a Justice of Peace. Okay, so you just need to check the website. You just Google it, Justice of Peace, and then you can schedule an appointment with them, and then they can certify true copy your document. So if you're not here in New Zealand, you are in your hometown, so you just need to look for a attorney maybe that can certify true copy your document. Okay, so aside from that, so you also, if you have joint or individual home ownership or residential tenancy agreement, okay, with your name on it, or both your name and then your wife. Again, if it is original, you can give it to them, you can give to the immigration officer, and they are going to return it to you. If it is a photocopy or if it is just an email, so what you do or what I did, I just download it and then print it and then certified true copy that document. So aside from that, you can also use utility accounts such as electricity, rates, internet connection, and telephone bills. Again, this is joint or individual document. Okay, if you have one of this, you can use this. You can provide this to the immigration. Again, original or make sure certified true copy. All right. So aside from that, this one, joint or individual assets such as major household furniture, appliances, computers, cars, etc. Okay. So another document that I have provided is wills or insurance policies for you and your partner. Okay, so if you have that document, your name on it, and your wife or partner, you can provide this to the immigration officer. Again, it can be original or certified true copy. All right. So aside from that, what else? Okay, so correspondence sent to your home address. So if you have this, so you can also use this as a proof evidence of partnership. Okay, so again, original or certified true copy if it is a photocopy. All right. So aside from that, I also provide some email between me and my wife, in English. If it is not in English, so make sure there is an English translation to that. That should be obtained from an authorized English translation service. Okay, so if you are using your native language, which is not English, so make sure there is an English translation, and it should be obtained from authorized English translation service. Okay, so basically this is my experience. So these are the documents that I have provided to the immigration for the evidence of my partnership with my wife. Okay, so hopefully it helps you guys. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.